We don't. You got 2 more left. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, February 3rd. Today is actually me and my husband's anniversary today. It is married 14, partners in life 19. 19 year to 19. I say 20 years because it actually is 20 years, but we talking about officially 19. So we made it back home yesterday, y'all, from Austin, Texas. We end up just coming on home, be with the kids and stuff, instead of staying until Monday. We got home yesterday about 5:45. Spent time with the kids, got them ready. And so now it's Monday, so we dropped the kids off at school and we are gonna head for breakfast. We still haven't got each other an actual anniversary gift, so we're headed to go do that. And this year 14 of marriage is gold. We try to follow the traditional, modern, what's that? No, like the categories is traditional and modern, and I thought it was one more. No. Traditional and modern. We try to follow it. Year 14 says ivory, gold, and the plant, I believe, is orchid. So we're gonna, since we don't want to be contributing to the mutilation of animals, especially elephants, since it's my favorite, we're not gonna do ivory.
Yeah, fake ivory 1911.
I don't want no fake ivory, none of that. So we're gonna do gold. So we gotta go to the mall anyway because our son has some clothes that we need to pick up from Macy's. And we're gonna see if we can find something while we're there. Like I said, grab breakfast. We're actually on our way to Sunnyside Diner right now, that is off of Classen and 6th Street in OKC. And then we're gonna head to Penn Square Mall. And then we need to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. Actually, we did figure it out. We're gonna do steak and potatoes, surf and turf. Steak and shrimp, loaded potato on the side with a Caesar salad. This man trying to have me cook on our anniversary. I was trying to go out.
We both gonna cook?
We both gonna cook?
I think I've cooked more than you have on our anniversary.
I don't think that's true. That's not true.
Documentation.
That's not true.
Go look on my MySpace.
Yeah, MySpace, because ain't nobody got access to that. No more.
Go check it.
Anyway, we're gonna cook tonight for our anniversary. We're gonna eat with the kids, and yeah, we'll bring y'all along. Today will be of course, the last part of our trip, so y'all enjoy. I don't think I've said it during this whole process. Appreciate y'all, and please subscribe, make sure y'all like. But yeah, let's go get some breakfast. It look good. Pictures. spicy. I don't think he told the truth, y'all. That shit's spicy. He gonna start sweating in a minute. So excited. It's gonna be 80 today too. And then in the shade. First stop, Macy's. Are they still? All right. Thank you. Yeah. It's early. I guess it is early, so it ain't, you know, not that many people. Lego, he loves the Lego store. Cute. Look at the Lego roses. The Lego roses. What is in there? Come on, we gotta go in there, babe. Come on. That's cute. Oh, hi. Look at it. Oh my God, that is so cute. Baby, the little book. This is what they do. This is how they get you in here. Oh, baby, look. Seaweed, lemon lime. Like pendant. Like that. I know, right? I promise we are now. Gray was gonna be so particular in what his jewelry. But the man like what he like. Got his necklace. Let me see it. Gold rope acquired. Look good, babe. We wasn't able to find me one, so we'll keep looking. I either find that or a bracelet. Let's see how much his little bracelets are over here. Acquired. Thank you so much, you too. Y'all know it's my birthday month, so I have to make sure I stop in and get my free stuff. Bath and Body Works. You want to try Macy's jewelry? Is there somewhere else you want to look at in here? Oh yeah, East and West. Hey y'all. Sorry. I'm not even sure exactly where we left off. I don't know. We was at the mall. And so we were able to find hubby a nice gold chain. You want to show him? No? Yeah. No? We found hubby a nice, come here and show, a nice gold chain. But we wasn't able to find me one. Okay, baby. We wasn't able to find me one. And that's okay. We still shopping around, right? You looking for me one? So we left the mall and then we knew that we had to get dinner tonight and we're gonna make it a whole little family affair. We'll let the boys cook dinner with us. And yeah, so we're gonna keep it kind of simple. We ain't really doing too much from scratch, but we're gonna have kind of like a surf and turf. So we're gonna do a New York strip steak with shrimp, that butter garlic sauce, Caesar salad, loaded potato, baked potatoes. Yeah. baked potatoes, and is that it? I think that's enough.
Maybe Brussels sprouts.
Maybe some roasted Brussels sprouts. We do have enough for them. But anyhow, that's what we're gonna do. And came home, checked on my plants. I don't know, can I keep this one with it being green? I think it has to be. No, I bet you I can. We're gonna try it. Oh, they're right here. We went to Crest and we got 2 good ones. They look good. They was about, what, $14? No, $13 each. $13 each. So we're gonna saute those up real good. If you can see them. I'll show you guys when we be ready to cook. And that's what we're gonna have for our anniversary dinner. And we're gonna close out this anniversary weekend with our boys.